Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Gaming Remaster 27, and today we've got the Ghost from the Past display box. As you can see, Ghost from the Past, glorious ghost rares, history comes to life in forms of Ghost from the Past, 32 card all foil collector set, 9 popular themes from the past, introduces 2 brand new themes, helps build some of the decks featured both in this booster and in recent core boosters. And to top it all off, debuts the 5 new Ghost Rares. That will be a must-have for your collection. We're hoping to get that Blue Eyes Alternative Dragon Ghost Rare, or the Dark Magician Ghost Rare. And each display case has 5 mini boxes inside. This is one I've been excited about for a while. Alright, let's get into the first box here. So you can see 3 5-card packs per box inside. And it's just got the same stuff on the back. Nice Konami seal. That's what the inside of the box. They got the Dark Magician in there. Build your link. Alright. Sunseed Genius. Galaxy Eye Cipher Blade Dragon. Metal Foes. Mithrithium. And Heroic Seal of Creation. Let's save the Dark Magician pack. Son of Iron Shrine, Galaxy Eye, Cipher Dragon, Splash Mage, Metal Foes Silvered, and Dragunity Whirlwind. We got Artifact, Miss Valley Baby Rock, Metal Foes Counter, Time Thief Retrograde, and a Sun Avalon Dryanome. So no ghost out of the first box. People have been saying the pull rates for this set are all over the place. ahead and open up our second mini display. It's kind of just what the whole box looks like, for those of you who were curious. The packs are just kind of laid in here. Right. Maloche Fresh Sistart. Mass Change 2. Dark Requiem XZ Dragon. Komozo Taikan. And Hellshadow Hollow. Yeah, a lot of these cards got a nice rarity bump. And there's a lot of new cards as well. Sunseen Shadow, Dragoonity Draft, Hectic Dragon, Time Thief Regulator, and Thestalos the Mega Monarch. These are a few Monarch cards. Well, this is the last pack for the second box. Photon Thrasher, Metalphilus Combination, Ojama Country, Starry Night Ceremony. So far that's 2-0, guys. No ghost yet. No Stardust Dragon either. Metal Foes, Modolce Puddingsness, Time Thief Winder, and Orchestrated Return. Dragoonity Phalanx, Mass Change, Royal Prison, Backup Secretary, and Vampire Voivody. Nice little card there. Alright. Metalfoe Skull Driver, Time Thief Flyback, Lava Volcano Handmaiding, Fairy Tale Tales, and a Starry Night Balefire. Alright, only 2 boxes left, guys. I'm starting to get a little nervous. Metaphos, Phantom Knight's Fogblade, Gigantus, Gear Town, and Dragoony Armor Graham. Mind Null, Emergency Teleport, Time Thief, Sunseed, and Time Thief Adjuster. Alright, last pack for the fourth box. Time Thief Hack, Hectic Sun Dragon, Heretic Seal of Banishment, and Theistos the Mega Monarch again. So we got one box of 3 packs left to try to pull a glorious Ghost Rare. It can happen, guys. Let's just hope that it does. I really want that Dark Magician or the blue-eyed alternative White Dragon. So we'll put all these back in here for good luck. Alright. Time Thief, Sunveil Cardinal, Larva Dragon, and Starry Night Arrival. Evil Thorn, Resonator's Call, Solomon Great Foul, Terror of Trishula, and Dragoonity Glow. Alright, it all comes down to this last pack, guys. Believe in the heart of the cards. Alright, so there was no Ghost Rares out of a whole mini display. Still not bad, guys. So we got to open up a lot of cool cards. This one was originally a Dark Duelist Stories print. That's pretty nice that they included it in this set. If you guys like the video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe down below. This is Gaming Remaster. Check it out.